U.S. relationship. Now, this is something we've been talking about a lot lately for one simple reason. That relationship is vital. It really matters. We can't take it for granted. We know that having an open, constructive working partnership with our southern neighbors is the best way to create jobs, grow the economy, and support the middle class on both sides of the border. In my speech, I focused on the Canada-U.S. trade relationship and the extent to which our industries are integrated. Canada is America's biggest and best customer. In fact, nearly 2/3 of U.S. states count Canada as their top export market, including the good folks here in Rhode Island. The feeling is mutual. We sell more goods and services to people in America than anywhere else in the world. Because of this, keeping our border open is essential to maintaining effective business dealings.